Welcome to today's practice. This is a full body strength flow with advanced transitions, half moon to Shiva Squat, fallen triangle, and mermaid pose. If you're ready, let's begin. From seated, come into tabletop. Let's start with hip circles. So it doesn't matter where you start, from left to right, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Just feel the freedom in the movement. Shift the weight forward and back. And let your whole body join the movement. The last one here. Change the direction. Synchronize your breath with the movement. And last one here. Perfect. Bring yourself back to the neutral tabletop. Keep the right knee on the mat and extend the left leg straight back. Keeping the left leg straight, shift the weight into right hand and lift the left arm up, rotate the chest to the side. Drop the left foot down, left hand on the left thigh and the right arm above the head. We're going to do two more. Right hand down, lift the left leg and gate again. The last one. Very good. Right hand down, keeping the left leg straight and lifted, and then bend the left knee and grab the left foot, open the side body with modified partridge. Let go of the left foot and land the foot to open up to baby wild thing. One more breath here. Left hand comes down and left leg back, left knee next to right. Now extending the right leg, shift the weight onto left and open up. Very good. Right foot lands and raise the chest all the way up and lean over to the right side. Left hand down, lift the right leg. Two more here. Last one. Great. Bend the right knee, grab the right foot and open the side body again. Release the foot, land the foot softly, rotate the chest outward for baby wild thing. One more breath. Lifting the foot, right hand down, right knee down next to left, and we end up in tabletop again. From tabletop, tuck the toes, lift the knees, come to beast first. Feel the activation in your glutes and your deep core, and then slowly extend the legs and take the hips backward. It's like short downward facing dog. And start walking the feet forward as you're rounding the back and bringing the legs closer to your torso. Use the core compression strength here all the way to the top of your mat. Inhale halfway, exhale fall forward and relax here. Interlace the fingers and bring the hands behind the head and slow roll up to standing. On your next out breath, arms beside your body. From standing, step the right foot behind, point the toes, and land the toes to stretch the ankle and the top of your foot. Left hand close to your left thigh. Reach the right arm up and bend over to the left side. You can micro bend your left knee or you can keep it straight here. Inhale, come back to center and lift the toes. Start bending the left knee and the right knee behind the left. Lower down to Shiva Squat. Land the left hand, extend the right leg and rotate the chest out to the right side for half moon. We're gonna do this transition 2 more times. Bending the right knee behind the left knee, coming to Shiva, and then rise up to half moon again. 1 more time. And the last one. Now bending the knee and bringing the knee behind the left. I'm going all the way down to a very low squat. Then land the foot and go down and sit down. And then open, twist to the left side. Whew. Let's take a few breaths here to just relax and find our breath and the coordination between our breath and movement. Excellent. Rotate the chest forward and move the shin out in front of you, the right shin, and bringing the left leg beside. So the left, you're coming into 90-90 stretch here. For 1 breath, drop the chest toward the front leg. Inhale, back up, and roll into windshield wipers. So it will end up in 90-90 on the other side. From here, inhale deeply, lengthening the chest and spine. Exhale, bend over the left leg and lifting the chest up again. We're taking the right foot next to the outside of the left knee and bring the left foot next to your right hip. So we end up in the same twist position, and just a few breaths again here. Very good. From here, shift the weight into the right foot, point your toes. First, you can come onto your knee or your shin, and then lift the foot and keep the right knee bent. Right hand down and rise up to half moon. Lower down to Shiva and half moon again. Last one. And from here, step the left foot behind the right foot. And again, you're planting the toes first, stretching the ankle and the top of the feet. I'm coming all the way up, finding the balance here, and bending over to the right side, just like how we started. And then back to center. And step the left foot next to the right. Inhale here, exhale, fall forward, keeping the hands on the floor, pivot on your left foot and turn around to face the top of your mat. Walk the hands out for downward facing dog. Find the alignment here, reset your feet, and start pedaling out your feet to stretch the hamstrings. And feel the deeper connection in your deep core. Inhale, lift the right leg up, bend the right knee, and open the right hip. You can try to press the left heel down here. Inhale, three-legged dog. Exhale, bend the knee. Now draw the knee, cross toward the left elbow, and thread the leg through, land the foot, open up to falling triangle. Left hand down. Take the foot all the way back to first three-legged dog. Bend the knee. Now we're bringing the right knee close to right elbow. Land the foot outside of the right hand and sink the hips low to Skandasana, all the way down, sit down. Grab the right ankle with the left hand. Extend the right arm above the head and side bend here. You can grab the foot, the left foot with the right hand, rotate the chest, push the right knee out. Inhale back to center. You can always support yourself with your hands, or you can try to come, lift the hips, and spin the foot and bring the heel down. From here, bring the right shoulder underneath the right knee and grab the wrist or fingers for bound side angle. Really feel the control in your glutes. Very good. Rotate the chest forward, both hands on the mat. And lift the left leg up to standing splits. Either you can keep the fingers on the mat or you can come into full balance version of this one. From here, bend the left knee and rise up to knee drive, single leg balance. Grab the left leg around the right leg, sink the hips low, eagle legs, and the right arm top of the left arm, eagle arms will stay here. Now unravel the legs, only the legs, oops. And bring the first knee toward the chest and then extend the leg back like warrior three but with eagle arms, and then unravel the arms too. Step the left foot back, and from here you really lean forward into your wrists, lift the right foot off the mat and wrap the right foot around the left leg, roll onto the other side of the left foot, right arm up. Very good job. Unravel the legs. If you want, you can lift the right leg up here. Right knee bend toward the chest, right hand down, and knee toward the chest. Then right chin down, ease into pigeon. Take a few breaths here. You can sway side to side. But keeping the pigeon a little active here. Now you can bring your elbows down. We'll stay here for a few breaths and just to neutralize the body, catch up with the breath. Inhale, raise the chest up. Plant the hands down, bending the left knee and reach up for the left foot, grabbing the foot, pulling the foot toward the hip and forward. Rotate the chest, Make it a little bit more like back bend. If you want to try and challenge yourself, then you can go to full mermaid. Raise the chest up, extend the back, middle back especially. Very good. Let go of the left foot, so you end up in pigeon again. Now from here, take the left toes, lift the left knee, and send the right leg to three-legged dog first, then right foot down. Inhale, lift the left leg up, bend the knee, and open the left hip here. Inhale, three-legged dog, bend the knee, draw the knee across the right elbow, extend the leg, land the foot, and open up to fallen triangle. Right hand down, and first going to three-legged dog, bending the knee. It's like a circular motion, bringing the left knee close to the left elbow, step and rotate, and Skandasana, hips low down on the ground, grabbing the left ankle with the right hand, left arm up and side bend. Inhale, return back to center. With your next in-breath, lift the hips, almost like side angle. Left shoulder underneath the left knee and open up. Bend, side angle. Very good. Rotating the chest. You can extend the left leg here, both hands on the mat. And lift the right leg up to standing split. Again, you can support yourself or you can go for full balance. Bend the knee and rise up to knee drive. Wrapping the right leg around the left this time. And the left over right in arm position. Lowering the hips. Nice, lovely eagle. Find your drishti, your focal point. Maybe slightly pulling the navel in and activating the glutes. It really helps. Unravel the legs. Extend the left leg. Take the knee first to your chest. And then going through warrior 3 with eagle arms. Hands down. Right foot down. Shifting into wrists and the hamstring, lifting the left foot and wrap the left foot around the right, roll onto the outside of your right foot and side plank version. It's like with eagle legs. You can extend the left leg here, lift up, bend the knee, rotate the chest and left shin down and just melt into pigeon. First, staying here active. Again, you can add some sways. And finally, bring the elbows down. Maybe just coming all the way down and just catching up again. Inhale, lift the chest. And plant the hands again down. Bend the right knee. Grab the right foot. Pull the foot. Stretching the quadriceps. Maybe joining the chest a little bit more forward. Maybe your foot slides in your inner elbow. You're finding a little bit more rotation here. And you can go and try mermaid. Let go of the foot. Both hands on the mat. Hug the right toe, the right knee lifted. And send the left leg back to three-legged dog. Left foot down. Downward facing dog. And from here, step the right foot first. Cross the legs. Lower the hips. And sit down with flat feet. And come down on your back. Keep the right leg straight, bend the left knee, and grab the leg and pull the leg toward the chest. And move the left knee across over to the right side. If you want, you can bring the left arm straight out, or you can take the left arm above the head to add a shoulder stretch here. Inhale, return back to center. Left leg straight, right knee bent. Give a big hug. And draw the knee over to the left. Again, find your arm position here. Back to the center. Bend both knees. Give them a big hug and rock side to side. And drop the feet down. Extend the legs. Take down wider. And arms by your side. Close your eyes. Let your feet fall open to the sides. Let your shoulder blades rest on the ground. Relax your navel. Relax your shoulders. Deactivate your glutes. And let yourself sink more and more notice your breathing. It is changing gradually. And start to move your fingers and toes. You can circle your ankles and your wrists. Bring the legs together. If you want to try something different to come up, some more energetic, more dynamic, you can roll back and forth on your spine. That's fun. And bring yourself into any seated position. Keep your eyes closed here. And notice the feelings. And sensations. And notice how alive your body feels right now. It's strong and centered and open. To finish today's practice, you can gently open your eyes. Thank you for being here and practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you created amazing emotions and amazing sensations you can carry down with you to the rest of your day. If you are ready for more flows, check out my other classes on my channel. And I'll see you next time on the mat.